The fundamental part of feeling powerfully calm at work is to use your breath. Breath is the very first thing we take in life, and it's the last thing we do in life. And your breath can be used in so many different ways to energize you, to help you feel calm, to settle your sympathetic nervous system, which is the fight or flight system, and engage your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the rest and digest. The first thing I'm going to teach you is Ujjayi breathing, otherwise known as oceanic breathing. What I want you to do is take a very deep inhale through your nose and a deep exhale through your mouth. Really sigh it out and make a ha sound as if you're fogging up a mirror. So deep inhale and exhale. A couple more of those. And this time, when you're exhaling, close your mouth but keep that ha sound internally. The benefits of Ujjayi breathing or oceanic breath is that your mind focuses on the noise that you're creating internally rather than all the things that you may be worried about outside. And also the deep breathing helps bring more oxygen into your body.